Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install Scrcpy on Windows. Completely free without any ads or watermarks. Scrcpy is a lightweight open source tool that lets you display and control your Android phone or tablet directly from computer. It works over USB and it's fast and doesn't require root access. Perfect for screen recording, gaming, or just using your phone from your PC. Before we start, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel a lot. Now let's get started. First of all, click on first link in description, and you will come to this website. Here scroll all the way down, and you will find this button. Click on it, and you will come to this website. Scroll down until you find the assets section. Click on the latest Windows version. It will look something like Scrcpy Win64, and it will start downloading. Once downloaded, open the folder. Extract the zip file to any folder you like, for example your desktop or C drive. Before we run it, we need to enable developer mode. On your Android device, go to Settings. Here search for About Phone. Tap on build number 7 times until it says, "You are now a developer." Go back to Settings. Open Developer Options and turn on USB debugging. Connect your Android device to your PC with a USB cable. Open the Scrcpy folder you extracted earlier. Now click on the address bar and type cmd. Now here type Scrcpy, and then press enter. That's it. Your phone screen should now appear on your PC, and you can control it with your mouse and keyboard, and that's how you install and run Scrcpy on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.